Hello everyone. In this video, it will be shown how to withdraw money from an etrade account. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, log into your etrade account. Once on the home page, click on Pay and Transfer, then select Transfer Money. On the transfer page, choose the brokerage account that the funds will be withdrawn from. Next, select the bank account where the money will be deposited. If a bank account has not yet been linked to the account, follow the on-screen instructions to add and verify it before proceeding. After selecting the accounts, enter the amount you would like to withdraw. Review the available cash balance to ensure sufficient funds are available for the transfer. Next, choose when the transfer should occur. A one-time transfer can be selected, or a recurring schedule can be set up if regular withdrawals are needed. Depending on the available options, transfers can typically be scheduled on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. Once all transfer details have been entered, continue to the review page. A summary of the transaction will be displayed, including the withdrawal amount, the account the funds are being transferred from, and the destination bank account. Carefully review all information to ensure everything is accurate. If all the details are correct, click Submit to complete the withdrawal request. eTrade will then begin processing the transfer, and the funds will typically arrive in the selected bank account within the applicable processing timeframe. And that's all there is to it. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.